In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Magic Fluid's Night Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click on Consent and select Node icon at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Then you can click on Set Wallpaper right away or use this gear at the top right corner to adjust all of those options however you want to. Then go back, tap on Set Wallpaper and click on one of those options. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!